Alright, so before we proceed to prime factorization, we have to first be familiar of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Laba lang siyang pangalan niya, pero actually very simple lang yun siya. Every integer greater than 1 is either prime itself or is the unique product of prime numbers. Ano meaning sina? For example, masulat ka sang isa ka integer greater than 1. For example, I will write here 17. 17 is an integer greater than 1. Is it prime itself? Yes. So 17 is equal to 17. 17 is already prime. So it is either prime itself or, let's have another example. What about 16? 16 is not a prime number, but you can express it as the unique product of prime numbers. So 16 is equal to 4 times 4. Notice that I used the dot. But 4 and 4 are not prime numbers. You can express it as the unique product of only prime numbers. So ang 4 kag ang 4, you can simplify this. 16 is equal to, what's 4 in terms of prime numbers? That is 2 times 2. 2 times 2. And what about 4? Well, that's also 2 times 2. So this is 2 times 2. And then you're multiplying them together, meaning 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You can express 16 using only prime numbers. And that is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We are now going to proceed to the techniques of prime factorization. Alright, so prime factorization. Ang factor tree method. So, if you want to find for the prime factors of 98, 120, and 105, ang aton obrahon, mahimo ta sang puno. Okay. Sige, so paano ta maghimo sang puno? At ang puno mayara sang mga sanga. So dire, ang aton nga mga sanga, among iyang mga factors. Okay, sige, so let's start with 98. Ano ang mga number nga kung i-multiply mo, ang answer 98. Ang 98, good-taping kami de. Okay. Sige, so 98 is divisible by 2, so isulat ko siya ang 2 sa dalom. 98 is equal to 2 times, ano ang i-times ta sa 2 para mag 98? So that is 49. Okay, so 49 times 2 will give us 98. Ang 49 naman niya, 49, sabad, mga pispis. 49 is 7 times 7. 7 times 7. And this is the factor tree for 98. So, for example, 7 times 7, 49. 49 times 2, that is 98. So, that is the factor tree. Paano isulat ang 98? So, 98 equals 2 times 7 times 7. And this is how you do prime factorization. Okay. What about 120? Ang 120, ga-end siya sa 0. May tricycle. Ang 120, it ends in 0. So, this is divisible by 10. So, 120, now, sige, 120 is equal to 12 times 10. Ang 12 kag 10, hindi pa na sila prime. Pwede na sila himoon prime. So, 12 is equal to 2 times 6. Ang 2, prime na siya. Pwede na siya. Pero ang 6 is not yet prime. So, padayon tagaya po ng 6. 6 is equal to 2 times 3. And 10 is not yet prime, pero pwede pa rin siya mo on prime. 10 is equal to 2 times 5. And these are all prime, meaning these are the prime factors of 120. Let's write that down. 120 equals, ipasunuron ta lang sila, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And this is the prime factorization of 120. Let's try 105. 105 ends in 5, so meaning it is divisible by 5. So, 5 is prime, so pwede ito na masulat ang 5. Ano nga number kung i-times ta sa 5 will give us 105? That is 21. Okay. So, 21 times 5, that will give us 105. 21. Anong mga prime factors of 21? Ang 21 is 3 times 7. 3 times 7. And 5, 3 kag 7, may mga lamok kag langaw. Ang 5, 3 kag 7, they are already prime. So, meaning, the prime factorization of 105 is... Yes. Pila gani, mga pispis? Yes. 3 times 5 times 7. And this is how you do prime factorization using the factor tree method. Alright.